Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shahin Alom. First of all, I would like to wish you Happy New Year 2022. Friends, we are going to say goodbye to 2021. Maybe you enjoyed this year or you were shocked during this whole year. Actually, I can easily remember a proverb that is, well and woe come by turns. সুখ দুঃখ পালাক্রমে আসে. Maybe you got hurt by your family members, by your bosom friends, or by your nearest or dearest ones. I advise you to forget all of your sorrows and to go ahead with better hopes, better wishes, or to enjoy more happiness in your life, to get more success in your life. Dear friends, you should remember that, you should believe that nobody is happy in this earth, in this world. Nor am I, nor are you. Because those who have much money, they want to get more. Those who are very happy, they want more happiness in the world. Those who have two buildings want to build some other buildings in the world. A person who has already got a good job wants to get another better job. That means our desires is unending. That means our desire is unending. Actually, we are not happy with what we have. That's why we are not actually happy in this world. Dear friends, so I do believe that we should be contented with what we have. So don't be anxious about your future. Don't be anxious about your sorrows, your past, and don't be envious of others' wealth, others' success. Try your best to succeed in life. Try your best to reach your goal. Then you can surely do it. You can surely achieve it. We have a habit that we only dream and dream. We will do it, we will do that, etc., etc., but we don't work hard. We get up from bed late. We waste our time idly, in vain. We browse internet in vain. We play games on mobile phones, computers, or we gossip with our friends for nothing. So how can we be successful? I advise you to look at a successful person, how he passes his time, how much work hard he does, how much hard work he does. Then you will be inspired. Actually, industry is the mother of good luck. Industry is the key to success. Fortune never smiles upon the lazy, or fortune never smiles on the lazy. You should remember these proverbs. Then you can understand that to be successful in life, how much hard work you need to do. Our students always wants to know, dear friends, our students always hopes to learn English, but they don't try their best. They don't speak English at all. They don't want to listen to English news. They don't want to even read. So how can they learn English? Learning English is not so easy. In another way, I can say learning English is not so difficult. If you practice, it will be easy. If you don't practice, it will be difficult. In every case, or in all cases, if you work hard, you can easily be successful, and if you do not work hard, you will always lag behind, and you will have to suffer in the long run. So in this new year, I hope you will work hard, you will get inspired from my speech. I think you will be successful, you will be happy, you will be wealthy, healthy, and money person in the world, inshallah. You should believe that, you should dream that, you should follow that. Only you can do. Only you can do. I should believe in that. I should believe in that proverb, that is, only I can do. Then I will be able to get success. So viewers, I hope your happiness, I hope your success, I hope you reach your goal in this 2022. May this year become, what should I say? May this year bring you proper success, your desired success in your life. Keep well. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.